Okay, hi everyone, and good evening from the USF. My name is Yana, and I will hold the event today. We are encouraged to introduce the pitch to participate in South by Southwest 2023. Sorry for somebody, I can hear you. Great. What is the South by Southwest? It's an international conference that includes many tracks dedicated to the most important achievements in technology, innovation, culture, and other areas. The event also includes several music, film, and media festivals and conferences and take place in the mid-March in Austin, Texas, USA. 8 winners of the competition today will be able to participate South by Southwest 2023 at the expense of the organizers and will have the opportunity to present their product within the framework of the Ukrainian official Startup Expo in this conference. We would like to express our gratitude to our partners, USAID Competitive Economy Program, Startup Grant Kyiv, Western East Enterprise Fund, with the support of Ministry of Digital Transformation of Ukraine, Embassy of Ukraine in the USA, and Innovative Bridge Europe, who have supported this initiative and the project itself. Now, let me introduce the jury members who will evaluate startups today and decide which of them will receive the funding. I would like to introduce Jonathan Dern, co-founder of Sabella Dern Entertainment, award-winning executive producer. Jonathan, are you here?
I'm here.
Great, thank you so much. Katerina Dikhtar, chapter director of Startup Grant Kyiv. Katya? Great. For more, Andrei Fedorev, founder of the Fedorev Group. Andrei? Great.
Bonjour.
And now we're waiting for Natalia Denikeva, head of DSCD Project Office, Yaroslava Johnson, president and CEO of Western East Enterprise Fund, Natalia Petrova, project manager, Office of Economic Growth and USAID, and Olesya Zaluska, chief of party USAID Competitive Economy of Ukraine program. And now let's meet our startup teams, our great startups that will be here today. First of all, Deep 3D Studio, 3D Look, Zebra AI, VArt, VR Studio, Reface, Xeon, Zili, Nanit Robot, Yesport Charts, Maria Production, and Aspici. About the timing today. Startups will have 1 and 5 minutes for the pitch and 3 minutes for a Q&A session with the commission. So let's see who will attend the South by Southwest in Austin this year. And first startup that I want to give the floor, Startups Deep 3D Studio. You're welcome. You can share your screen.
Thank you very much. Hey, everyone. I'm starting with sharing my screen. Please kindly confirm that you see it.
Yeah, I can see it and I hear you. You can start.
Super. Okay. So I will begin now. Okay. Yeah. Hello, everyone. My name is Jane, and I'm representing Deep 3D Studio here, a character creation and 3D scanning studio established and fully operating in Ukraine. We provide a full cycle character creation service for our clients. Our 3D avatars are widely used both in business and entertainment. You can find them in filmmaking industry, in advertisement, and they also serve as digital ambassadors for brands and businesses. Our core product is a digital double for a human. We use a complex photogrammetry 3D scanning technology to get a big variety of 3D humans. And they, for example, can be the exact copy of one's appearance, like these female avatars, which already serve as digital assistants for businesses. And they are originally created from 3D scans of real people, or it can be a mix and match of reality and fiction, and the stylized avatar can be created. This is Tinu, an operational system of the most innovative technical hub in Ukraine, Unit City. Our goals on SXSW would be to win new clients and make Ukraine a motherland for the highest quality digital avatars ever created. And we would be happy to share our story, our product, and some fun facts of character creation processes, which we do inside here in Ukraine, and to share it all with the visitors of SXSW this year in Austin. Thank you very much for your attention.
Thank you, Evgenia. And now time for the question from jury. Who wants to be first? Jonathan, you're welcome.
Are you familiar with the sort of the ethical issues that are current here in the U.S. when it comes to avatars and in your words, digital cloning?
Well, yes, I'm aware that this is a very thin area, and what on our side we do provide a full legal supervision. Me precisely, I am a lawyer and the CEO of the company, and we do create all the legal framework with the agreements from the model, which we scan, cast, and agree with the clients, and we definitely make sure that our clients in their jurisdictions do not use the images of the models we scan in any violation of legislation in Ukraine and in their own legal systems.
Good answer.
Thank you so much. And now question from Andrew.
Yeah, my question is about voice. So I understand that you create a 3D vision and which can be static or, as I understand, in motion. But what about voice? If I want to have a digital twin of myself, will I have this opportunity to generate voice?
Thank you for the question. Yes, that's exactly the true that we are focused on the visual part of the process, and avatar creation, it consists of several parts of creation itself. It's visual, technological, the background, voicing as well. Voicing, as for now, is not put within the framework of our current workflow.
Clear. What is the stage of the project? What is ready now?
The project is already running for 4 years. We had 1 year of deep internal R&D stages. The project is absolutely founded and financed by individuals, Ukrainian ones, and currently we are an operating business who can support itself, but definitely need assistance to grow up.
Yes. Are you looking for investors? What is the reason you want to go? Are you looking for clients or are you looking for publicity?
Yes, our core goal is to win new clients and to expand the brand awareness both for our company and for Ukraine, for technological side of Ukraine, and to bring awareness of the investors which would be interested in facilitating our growth and expanding of our technical capabilities to win even more attention worldwide.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Natalia, your question, the last one for this startup.
Yep, thank you so much. Jane, thank you for your consistent interest in the show. I do remember your last year's speech. I have one question which is related to the value of you participating at the booth. And the question is actually, would you need any additional financing into bringing the equipment into the US? I do remember that was an issue last year. How do you see your participation this year? Thank you.
Yes, I do remember it was like a core thing for us previous year because we had a crazy idea to send the sample scanning system. But frankly, to say now, we are having so many interesting and cool projects already realized by our company that we will definitely put a strength side on showing our showcase and backstage videos and interactive videos with the help of LCD screens and maybe maximum some VR sets and so on. So technically, we do not need extra assistance to be fully and coherently presented on the summit this year.
Thank you so much, Evgenia. Thank you for your pitch and for your answers.
Thank you very much.
Now, let's move to the next project, and I'm happy to invite Srida Luke. You're welcome. You can share your screen. I'm just waiting for loading of your screen. Yeah, got it. You can start.
Hey guys, I'm Kate from 3D Look. Happy to be here. Let's get started. Like everybody who is shopping online facing the same problem, how to pick the right size. But for brands and retailers, wrong size, poor fit leads to billions in returns and tons of waste that makes fashion industry one of the dirtiest on the planet. In comparison to poor quiz solutions, we have an AI core, our patented technology that with just 2 photos from any mobile device generates an accurate 3D model and computes over 80 precise body measurements from this 3D model. After a few years of development and hundreds of feedback from brands and retailers, we developed Your Fit, that is combining accurate size recommendation and photorealistic try-on. For a shopper, that means an answer to 2 biggest questions. Does it look good on me? Does it fit me? For brands and retailers, it means decrease in returns, higher conversion rate, and higher average order value. About company, we were founded in 2016. Now we have over 100 customers in apparel space like fashion brands and retailers, on-demand manufacturers, and uniform companies. And we've been able to raise over $15 million up to now. So why we would like to exhibit is at SXSW, because we would like to raise more attention to meet new potential customers, partners, investors, and media influencers. We are pretty experienced in presenting our technology at such shows like NRF and Shop Talk. So, and we are ready to present our technology as a true magic at SXSW. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Katerina. And now time for questions.
Of course.
Who wants to be first?
Can I ask one question? How different are you from your competitors? Because there are a lot of similar technologies offering the sizing and recommendation in terms of how it fits. Who are they and how different?
Yeah. So there is like the biggest bucket of competitors who are using just quizzes. So you need to answer just a few simple questions that's starting from your height, weight, age, and actually in terms of an accurate input from you, that's it. So we are using, from one hand, we are using your body measurements, and then we are mapping your measurements with the sizing data from brands. So it's way more accurate than just answering a simple questions about your hips, chest, and whatever. And also, like quiz solutions allow only size recommendation, but we also are showing how product will look on your body. So we are using front photo of a shopper and photo taken on a ghost mannequin of a product or 3D assets to visualize how this product will look on your body.
Thank you so much. Maybe you have some more question for Katerina. Okay, I hope that's it. Thank you, Katerina.
Thank you, guys. Thanks. Bye.
And our next participant, Zebra AI.
Hey, guys. Let me know if you can see my screen.
Yeah, sure.
Perfect. So, hello, my name is Alex, and we are building an AI-generated asset for all possible virtual worlds and all possible virtual experiences. And we are solving 2 major content challenges at the moment. We are creating visual effects and actual 3D objects and characters in the most seamless way without any coding required. Within visual effects creation, we are focusing on interactivity. So all of our assets are worked in real time. We do have an all-in-one platform for all possible visual effects optimized for specific effects. And all of them are working out of the box on all available platforms, coming from mobile devices to hand PCs and consoles, of course. Within 3D content engine, we are converting text, video inputs, and all kind of 2D inputs into actual 3D objects and characters, with focus on capturing high-quality geometry materials and textures with ability to modify everything in real time. So all of those assets are similar to what human-made assets look like. And we are targeting gaming, filming, and VR industry with around 68% of our targeted customers based in the United States. We are part of NVIDIA Inception Acceleration Program. We are a verified solution partner by Unity Technologies. We have more than 1,600 community members in our Discord and around 70,000 of users in general. With this being said, we are planning to scale within US market and ready to raise our seed round. And we are super excited to be a part of SXSW. And we'll be using our laptop screen just like to showcase our interactive demos and product in action. This is pretty much it. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Alex. Dear jury member, do you have any questions? Jonathan, you're welcome.
Are there any particular projects that you worked on the effect side?
Yes, we do have 3 B2B integrations so far, and one of the most exciting one is like Fishing Planet. It's fishing simulation for PlayStation and Xbox.
PlayStation, okay. So on the VXS business, you're looking at games as your primary target?
Gaming, yeah, correct, as a primary target, but also production and filming industry, because they heavily utilizing gaming engine as like a part of their creation pipeline and process.
Yep, got it. Thanks.
Sure.
And what is the main... Sorry.
Go ahead. Sorry.
Natalia, after you.
I have one very quick question. What is geography of your customers? Where are you already represented and who you service?
So majority of gaming companies we are targeting based in the United States, but we do have a couple of clients in European Union as well, like specifically Scandinavian region.
Thank you so much, Andrew. You're welcome. A question?
Yeah. The question is, what is your main goal at this event? You want to rise the next round, or you want to attract attention, or why do you want to go there?
Yeah, absolutely. Our core goal is to develop our B2B relationship, and based on like metrics we have like within B2C segments, with combination of B2B revenue, we'd like to raise proper seed round only based on those metrics. So it's going to be a combination of both fundraising plus B2B relations.
Thank you so much. The time for questions is up, so we'll move to next startup. Thank you, Alex. And now I'm happy to welcome the VArt startup.
Hi, everyone. I'm Anastasia Glebova, CEO and co-founder of VArt, a blockchain platform which helps brands to license and monetize their IP. So we want to bring to SXSW 2 of our core solutions with the VArt protocol, the technology, which helps to license and sell creative assets with IP rights fully managed on the blockchain, and the add-on to it, which is VArt immersion, so AR and VR components to the sales. So why VArt? We want to bring the unique intersection of blockchain and immersive tech from Ukrainian side, and US is over 1/3 of our current market. We are completely relevant for any industry, whether it's music, movies, fashion, art, and so on. Plus, the majority of our current round investors and the previous round as well are from the US market. What we want to achieve there is to showcase our tech and get new partners, so basically vendors for VArt protocol. We do not need any assistance in terms of tech to bring. We will have our own 2 VR headsets, as well as 2 laptops and a lot of printouts so that we can showcase both immersive demos and also the demos for VR protocol. The product is already working, by the way. Plus, the last but not the least, we will also showcase a Ukrainian VR pavilion, initially presented and making awards at the Art Basel Week in Paris last year, which has over 100 of different Ukrainian brands and creators. So, hope to see you all at SXSW. Thank you.
Great. Thank you so much, Anastasia. And do you remember your question? Andrei, you're welcome.
Sorry, maybe I'm not so deeply aware. What is the main product of your startup? And
So the core product is the Art Protocol, which is a white label solution for licensing creative digital assets with IP rights. Our team specifies exactly in IP law, blockchain, and immersive tech, and we are currently working with L'Oreal Group and Meta in scaling up with our solution, already having over 190 brands in the pipeline of integration. It makes licensing, so selling digital products with IP rights, as easy as a pie, plus fully trackable on the blockchain.
What is your classical client or service or product? So what can I buy from you?
It's a technology. So basically what you get from us is a white label connection. We do not charge you for the integration of it. You can connect it yourself or ask for our help. Where we monetize on is our token program. So basically you get a cashback on every purchase on the blockchain. And we also have the immersive side, which I have presented previously, where we do virtual stores. So interactive spaces where you can actually sell the content.
Okay.
We work with art, fashion, luxury, and game brands, and also with music ones. But technically speaking and legally speaking, we are not limited by any creative industry, just where we have started.
Good.
Thank you so much, Anastasia. Did you remember, do you have any more questions for Nasta? Okay, I hope there is no question. Thank you, Anastasia.
Thank you.
And our next startup is VR Studio.
Hi, my name is Daria. I'm founder of VR Studio, a creative XR production studio. We help businesses find their way with XR technologies and create their business representation in metaverse. Our expertise covers the full range of AR, VR developments and integrations, and also data analytics. We have an extensive AR, VR portfolio, including digital twins, also the VR gaming platforms, trainings and simulations for different professions, even the location-based augmented reality experiences for different types, and even the meditation in VR and promotion of different brands using the XR technologies, and we'll be happy to showcase that at South by Southwest. We also have 2 off-the-shelf products. The first one is AR catalog for 3D visualization of the product and boosting the sales. And the second one is Metaverse platform for corporates and brands to try the waters with Metaverse and use it for events, exhibitions, pitch, sales, collaborative sessions. We have been focused on US market for the last 7 years, so we have a number of partners and clients in there, and it will be great for us to be at South by Southwest to empower our existing relationships and build the new ones, like meet new partners and clients. Our booth usually looks like this, like we have a big screen where we display our use cases. We also have VR, mixed reality glasses, smartphones and tablets, so we can show the apps itself, and all the attendees, they can try it out, and then we can have a conversation about the potential business. So we'll be happy to be a part of Ukrainian delegation. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Daria. Now, time for questions.
Unrelated to SXSW event question, I see you've participated in 4YFN Barcelona event. Was that a fruitful participation for you?
Yeah, it was a great one. Actually, that was the one where we met with Lenovo, and then later we partnered with them and with Qualcomm. And right now we just received the grant for them, and we're developed the application to show newly deployed glasses by Lenovo.
Glad to hear that.
Thank you. And we're attending this year as well.
Thank you, Daria. Jonathan?
Can you pull up your the slide on who your partners are, who you've worked with?
Absolutely, yeah. Qualcomm, Intel, HP, Meta, and a lot of partners, including marketing, PR studios who resell our services and our products to their clients. For example, we worked with Pepsi through their agency Think Motive. They're also our partner.
Thank you.
My pleasure.
Very helpful.
Thanks.
Great. Thank you so much. We have time for one more question.
Okay.
But I hope that everything is clear. So thank you, Daria.
Thank you.
And now I'm happy to announce the Reface startup. You can share your screen. I think that Reface have some problem with connection. So we will move to the next participant, Dion.
Hi, everyone. Please confirm if you can see my screen.
Yeah, everything's okay. You can start.
Okay, I'm starting. Hi, everyone. I'm Dima with Xeon, the business metaverse. In the multi-billion emerging market, the majority of famous metaverse companies are focusing on gamers and creators. Unlike them, Xeon provides tech companies with a hassle-free way to communicate with employees and customers online in real time. To achieve that, we have already built 4 major differentiators unavailable in other metaverses. These are: we are the first metaverse able to host thousands of people in a single room. We have built more advanced profile data to search and connect to like-minded people. Simple tools to activate your camera and share a screen, and admin capabilities to manage participants and locations. The product is live. We've done pilots with Techstars, Ukrainian, IT, and L'Oreal, and some smaller companies. We have 90,000 in the lower stages of the pipeline and 11 million, but still at the upper stages of the pipeline. The team behind the product consists of hustlers, hackers, and hipsters, representing 4 continents and 4 ethnicities. Our advisors have access to the major companies in the Silicon Valley, and our goal at SXSW is to attract investors, customers, and journalists. We'll bring a marketing banner, 2 laptops for demonstrations, printouts, and we'll attend all the after-party networking events. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Dima. Do you remember, do I have any question? Andrei, you are welcome.
And the same question, what is the core service which you offer to businesses?
Think of an office. That's one of the use cases which works offline. And there are multiple meeting rooms, multiple areas where people communicate with one another. And now think that all these people are spread globally or in different locations. If they use Zoom, then they communicate only within a team. What we can provide them with the metaverse is the ability to replicate their virtual office with multiple places for people to discuss projects, to brainstorm, or even have water cooler chats. So our main value is all the natural conversations which happen when people just walk by and meet each other in random places.
Yeah. And how much do you charge for the office, let's say, of 100 people?
500 people, that would be 1,700 monthly, and cheaper at the yearly cost. We have several layers. We have several layers of pricing. Yes. So one is subscription, when the company is using one of facilities which is ready for plug and play. In addition, if a company doesn't want a plug and play solution, but wants something custom, for example, a digital twin of their office or something very creative, then that would mean we need to set up that project separately for them. And in the future, we will also provide a marketplace to remove this bottleneck on our site. So all the community of creators will be able to design those locations for companies.
Super.
Thank you so much. We have time for one more question for Dima. Okay, I think that everything is clear. Thank you so much, Dima.
Thank you.
And our next participant, startup Zili.
Hi.
Great. You can start, Elena.
Thank you. Hi, my name is Alina, and I'm the CCO at Zili. Zili is an AI-powered, mobile-first web store and ad builder that helps small business owners start selling online instantly. Picture this: 80% of micro-entrepreneurs in the United States do not use laptops. Their only device is the phone. And yet, they still don't have the tools to start selling online just from their phones. As part of SXSW, we will show everyone how our product is changing the online sales game. And you will be able to come to our booth and add your field of activity and the name of your company in a short onboarding form. And our AI will generate for you a sales-oriented web store, advertising creatives, and customized online advertising. Just one click and you are there. The secret sauce of our product is that we build AI-powered integrations with Facebook, Google, and TikTok APIs based on high ROMI indicators. We have 3,000 users from the United States. We have grown by 300% in the US market and received an MRR of more than $45,000. And we will raise $3 million in 2023. Due to the fact that we placed top 3 at Slush, we are in touch with Tier 1 US-based VCs. We are going to SXSW to scale our VC network to find affiliate partners and future Zili ambassadors. Thank you so much.
Great. Thank you so much, Alina. Sorry, I have some problem with light, but I hope that Wi-Fi will be here with me. And now time for the question for Zili startup. Yeah, do you remember if you have any?
Can you give another, Can you give another example for a small business that you're helping right now?
So, for example, we have a lot of clients such as designers, musicians. So, for example, musicians, they can make some landing pages for their new albums or even post their tracks on our web stores. And which is more important with our product, these people used to have a great conversion rate. So for example, they have 7% in leads. So for example, if you want to sell some kind of clothes and so on, you will receive from 100 visitors on your web store, you will receive 7 leads. So your potential clients.
Thank you so much, Alina. Do you remember, do you have any more questions for Zili? Okay, thank you so much. And now I'm glad to invite the next startup, Nanit Robot.
Hello, everyone. Just give me a second to share you my screen. You can see my screen, right?
Yeah, sure. You can start.
You can hear me? Hi, everyone. My name is Vlad Kanov, and I am the CEO of Nanit, Your Future Education. Do you know that 65% of kids entering school today will end up and working for the job that currently do not exist? We need to learn engineering and creativity skills to compete with the AI in future. That's why we create Nanit. Nanit is a combination of STEM educational kit and online educational platform. STEM educational kit consists from 30 modifications. It's equals to 100 toys just in one box. Also, we have our educational platform that consists from 200 hours of educational tutorials. Business model is easy. We're selling robot, we're selling educational membership, and we're selling mini franchise for B2B. We plan to focus on the United States market because it's high customer awarenesses. We have American C Corp. We have English localization. Also, we have the largest STEM education market in the US and Canada. Now we have 400 pre-orders. We finished with acceleration in Google. We have 5K MRR right now in Ukraine. Also, we finished the demo acceleration. We're better in real-time integration. We have open code platform. We have more modifications and our own video tutorials. Elon Musk team, I have more than 7 years experience in robotics creation. My partner opened 23 schools of robotics, and Pavel, 24 years experience in toy business. Also, we have engineers, sales team, and marketing team. This is our stand on CES. And we try to pre-launch Kickstarter on CES, try to find our first investment, and try to find local manufacturer to localize our manufacturing equipment. Thank you very much for your attention.
Thank you so much, Vlad. And now it's time for questions.
Am I that good at no questions?
Hope so.
Just kidding. CES was beautiful. Really good.
Thank you, Vlad. Thank you for your comments. I think that, yeah, it's clear if you don't have any question. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And now our next startup for today, Yes Sports Charts. I can see your screen, Ivan, and you can start.
Hi, my name is Ivan, and I have been a recognized gaming and electronic sports expert for over 15 years. I found a vast need for a proper analytical tool for streams and events. So together with my longtime friends and colleagues from previous jobs and ventures, we have created esports charts. Imagine Google Analytics, but for live streaming. Every second, we collect millions of data points about all the streams in the world. We have been gathering data and its derivatives for over 5 years. It's a huge data set for AI and machine learning we do and sell. We sell subscriptions to our services and tools. We also have freemium websites that are famous and popular. We attract millions of visitors and dozens of millions of impressions, all made by our Ukrainian team. Our intel is trusted and vastly cited by 10 out of 10 media in the world. We service hundreds of well-known esports gaming and media companies and even new-to-market, non-endemic clients. We are an audited company with several outside investments. We're operating out of income, but planning to announce a funding round for new products and opportunities at South by Southwest. And we do like to exhibit. We bring loot and banners and create event-specific landing pages with engaging event-related games that gather hundreds of participants. South by Southwest is a massive match for us. We are already introducing new products and services to entertainment and creative and music industries by providing unique analytical and profit-gaining opportunities. We hope to meet new clients like Sony, Warner, Universal, and pitch our company to relevant investors and partners. We are already a recognized leader in live streaming. This year, we plan to become the Google Ads of live streaming, which will unlock dozens of times more market size and profits. Let us start together with the Ukrainian group at South by Southwest. Thanks.
Thank you so much, Ivan. Any question for Yes Sports Chart startup?
Have you trademarked your the name of your company and what you do?
We actually do. We have trademarks for a lot of related streaming brands in a lot of areas, including US, including Europe. We actually have 2 active brands right now, but we're developing a couple more. And yeah, all of them are licensed and trademarked and everything.
Thank you so much. Andrew, you're welcome.
Yeah. Am I right in understanding that you analyze any kind of gaming stream and, let's say, turn it to a dashboard, or you add a dashboard like analytics in, I don't know, professional sport league, but for gaming in some specific games?
So the one that I presented is actually, like I said, the Google Analytics. So our huge, vast network of scraping bots and stuff that gather intel about all the streams on all the streaming platforms in the world. And those are like 50, not only YouTube or Twitch or whatever. There's a lot, including Chinese, South America, and so on. That is a dashboard. That is something that we, or you can expect to see how popular your event's going to be, how popular competitors' events are, blah, blah, blah. A lot of different ways to approach that. But also we do have a pretty big R&D studio that does computer vision, audio recognition, speech recognition, and a lot of other additional services we're currently developing for our clients, usually by request. And funnily, one of the largest clients right now is chess.com, if you've heard. And we develop a lot of interesting ways to do it and work with them.
Cool. Cool. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And next question from Natalia.
Thank you. First of all, a comment rather than a question. Kudos. It was an excellent presentation. You sound great. My question is, how are you going to interact at the booth with the customers? And what's that you would like to showcase?
Usually it's just the streaming recognition. We participate a lot, and I do a lot of speeches currently. I'm at Iceland, and I'm going to be presenting tomorrow. And there we're presenting a special showcase of our streaming analytical tools available for everybody. Usually we do, while we present at a bigger event, we provide free services for a week, for example, with a promo code or something. So everybody who's at the stand will be able to access the dashboard for free with whatever the request they usually said. We also do additional consulting live with the sales team at the event. And we do a lot of gaming kind of related stuff. So it's going to be a small game, a quiz or something available on a specially created website, which we will present with screens or laptops or whatever. So everybody's going to be having a way to interact with us during the days out of the event even.
Thank you so much, Ivan.
Is it clear? Is it okay?
Yeah, I see the like from Natalia, so I hope so.
Thanks.
Thank you so much. And now, please welcome next startup, Maria Production. You're welcome.
Hey guys, can you see this presentation?
Not yet. I can see the Ivan. Ivan, can you stop sharing the screen, please?
Yeah, I've seen it. Stop sharing. Done.
Great. I can see your screen, Bogdan.
Okay, good. So let's start. So hi guys, I'm Bogdan and I represent Maria Production company. What we do is called virtual production. It's a brand new technology to produce video, clips, live shows, and movies. What used to be done with a green screen and long post-production process is now can be done on pre-production stage using artificial environment created in Unreal Engine 5 as a background on LED screens. The most popular Disney TV show Mandalorian was entirely filmed by using this technology. All the backgrounds were done with virtual production, and creating such content is our company's specialization. This technology is a game changer for those who want more flexibility on the stage and see the immediate results during the shooting. So why US market? As we operate on the edge of IT, gaming, and filming technologies, US and especially Hollywood is our main market where most of our current and potential partners are. Also, half of special design studios for virtual production are currently in US. So why Southwest Conference? Large studios, productions, and content makers are participating. Even creating film and TV tracks this year includes virtual production as a separate panel, which makes it a perfect place for us to find partners, clients, and investors. As for the investments, show business is very conservative. You need to know the right people in addition to your talent. In our case, investments from the industry representatives provides us not only with necessary funds to grow, but also with necessary connections to move to the higher league. As for our booths, since VP are perfect for exhibition format, we want to build a small LED cave. This is a great attraction which demonstrates our projects and technology at the same time. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Bogdan. Dia, do you remember, do you have any questions? Yeah,
I'm sorry.
Yeah,
I forgot. Yeah, I forgot about slides. Oh my God.
Okay, I hope that the jury member will have the question for you and you can show your slide.
Yeah, I will. I will do it slowly right now. And meanwhile, you can ask me questions. Sorry, guys. Yeah.
It's okay.
So are there any
Yeah.
productions in the US that you have been a part of?
Yes, actually, we are partners with Netflix with some of their TV shows right now. And recently we've recreated, I must say, CVS store, as you know, the biggest chain of healthcare and pharmacy in US.
Yeah.
So we've created, they were planning rebranding and wanted to see how their new design will look like and to use it as a promo for marketing and to shoot advertisement even before they actually do this rebranding. So we created the entire CVS store, populated the shelves, everything using this technology. And right now we're working on Titanic. So we're recreating the whole Titanic for one special advertisement for big production in US.
And do you have an official relationship with Unreal, or are you using their open source?
No, we have official, yes, we have official relationships with Unreal, yeah. Well, they support virtual production companies as ours.
Got it. Thank you.
Welcome.
Okay, thank you so much. Do you have any more questions? I hope that no. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
In our next startup, Aspici.
Hello to everyone. We are Aspici. My name is Viktor Samoilenko, CEO, Max Goncharuk, CTO and co-founder. Our company is working on one of the largest problems of the modern society, and that is scarcity of time. We are going to cope with this problem with introducing first ever audiovisual teleportation platform, which will offer disruptive experience to travel through space and time. At the moment, we do have a core market of 21 billion, which is limited at the moment only by penetration of VR helmet. But nevertheless, there are multiple niches we can address in industries like entertainment, security, construction, medicine, and education. There has to be, with the introduction of the teleportation platform, we believe we will make a huge impact on the social life of the people. For instance, increased quality of the life for the disabled people, or exposing experience of minorities to raise awareness. For us, South by Southwest conference is important, as we are planning to enter North American market at the end of 2023. And our plan to meet potential customers, develop business network, and find investors to finalize our seed round. On a conference, we will have a stand which will look like this, and participants of the conference can experience live teleportation demo, like we will try to expose to you right now. So, sharing. And basically, how does it work? There is a helmet, and I'm spectating what is happening with the Max, who is shooting his environment by 360 camera and streaming it into my helmet. So basically, I can see, you can imagine if we are distributed in space, and Max, for instance, is in the United States at the moment, and I'm here in Kyiv. So basically, I can see what he is seeing, and my brain is tricked. So we are substituting reality by the 360 video and audio. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Dear jury member, do you have any questions? Jonathan, you're welcome.
Can you explain the practical application for right now and for maybe 10 years from now?
Absolutely. Basically, what we are doing, we are neglecting space and decreasing necessity to travel. So, for instance, from my headquarters, I can do a supervision of any kind of complex action and be teleported, for instance, in some dangerous or remote environment. So, for instance, I can supervise construction works or do remote scouting for the filming industry.
Great, thank you. Do you have any more questions?
Okay. How do you check?
Yeah.
And how do you, and what's the model for this? How do you make money?
It is a subscription. Basically, we are going to charge corporation for the set of the helmet for the services which are connecting the 360 camera and VR helmet for the price of one international trip per year.
Okay, great. Thank you so much. It was the last startup for today, and now we will have a 20 minutes break for the jury members to decide which startups will represent our country during South by Southwest. So see you in 20 minutes here.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks, guys.
Hi again. I'm happy everyone is back. And I would like to pass just a few words for our jury members and finally hear the names of the winners. Jonathan, can you be first, please? Just a few words to our startups and your emotions about the pitch.
I was, or I am, very, very impressed with the group that has been aggregated here. And frankly, if we could have you all come, I think it would be a really great thing. So congratulations to all of you. And if you don't end up going to Austin, don't think that you're not worthy, because I think everybody here is worthy.
Thank you so much, Jonathan. And now, Andrei Fedorov, you're welcome.
Yeah, I would say that it seems to me that some of the startups who maybe will not be in the winning pool should not consider it to be a failure, because it's more about relevance, yes, about the specifics of this concrete event. But I hope we will have a lot of winners today.
Thank you so much. And now the words for Natalia Petrova. You're welcome.
Thank you, Yana. As always, thank you for your time and effort. That's every time much appreciated. I really like to see the improvement from some of you who I've seen before, and I'm glad we're going to get a very strong delegation, and I think we can powerfully represent the country and the companies individually. So I wish you all luck. If not for the SXSW, for the upcoming events, there will be a lot of them, and wishing you luck. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And now the few words for Olesa Zaluska and Valery, I see.
Sorry, we are from the phone since we are at the training. So from SAP team, we want to say that we're super happy when each new delegation is formed, and I would like to wish you to prepare your pitches, since you will have probably hundreds of pitches during one day of the conference. So we wish you good luck, and over to Valery.
Thanks for the great pitching. What I saw is that it was very competitive, and we have many startups with interesting, creative, cutting-edge products and technologies, and I think this will be key to really having a very interesting, productive delegation that will attract a lot of audience. I think we'll have a lot of buzz there, so let's do it together. Great, thank you.
Thank you so much, Valery. And now, Katya, you're welcome.
Oh, basically, I would love to thank all the partners for being in this project, and for USAID doing a good outreach campaign so that we have many strong participants and highly competitive pitch today. And I really hope that we will rock the floor at the conference and bring great results. That's been one of the criteria for judging as well, the potential for being super successful at the conference. So again and again, there are no winners or people who didn't win. It's more about, will the startup be efficient in this conference or not? And do they fit into this delegation or not? So my best wishes for those who are among the 8 top runners. And I'm also the big fan of everyone who did not fit into those 8, but will fit in the other delegation or any other activity as well. Because Ukraine is a very strong and cool ecosystem with lots of activities.
Great, thank you, Katrina. And now it's time for the final rates. Just 1 second. And I want to announce the 8 teams that will participate in South by Southwest. Yes Park Charts, Deep 3D Studio, VR Studio, Maria Production, Zebra AI, 3D Look, Us Peachy, and VR. My congratulations. And I'm thankful for your attention. See you at the next pitches and best wishes from USAID.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.